Here.
Please
Don't.
do not. Please don't.
Do you need to get down there?
Please don't.
Just take the water. See, I was gonna help you. Now I'm gonna jump on you and kill you. Whee!
Please don't.
No!
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
No!
Oh, let's go.
No! You've gotta be shitting me. Bro, the water disappeared at the last second. That's karma. Did you cover all my stuff up?
Hello YouTube, today we're playing Minecraft again and I'm gonna try and build a new house because I think I might actually have a good idea. Let's go. Oh! That's what I'm gonna try and do. And I'm gonna try and do it based off of like what I think I did. Alright, I'm sleeping. Ah! Ah! No! Okay, I still need to work on my PvP skills. That almost went terribly. Okay. So I think you like your house here, don't you?
Oh, I'm not moving my house.
Yeah, I know.
Can't really pick. Oh, I can't really. I looked at my house. I was like, can't really pick it up and move it. And then I looked over to yours, and I was like, oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's not the best. It's very much all part of the experience. Dude, iron pickaxes mine cobblestone so fast. And
Yeah,
I love it.
What about an enchanted netherite one?
Dude, that's like instant, isn't it?
Essentially.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's probably really fair.
Barrel.
How much cobblestone do you think I would need to build like a big house? Like a big house. Like double the size of yours, how much cobblestone would I need?
A lot.
Like give me a number. So I know when to stop.
I don't know.
Not helping.
At least 10 stacks.
10 stacks? Okay, well I have 2 stacks. Let's start, I think. I think I'm on a good I have a good start. I'm gonna run out of this cobblestone really fast now. We need to find like a ton of iron so we have iron for days. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know we can make an iron farm, but I don't know how to make it. 2 villagers. Ooh, I found iron. Would you look at that? So, Jay, is that like guaranteed that like you can only find diamonds like -20 and below?
No, you can find diamonds like above 0, but most of the time they're like -50.
Okay. So it's just a lower chance that you're gonna find them if you're like a mud gun. Okay. Good to know. I think I'm gonna keep mining here until my thing. So. All right, time to get to the building. Time to get building. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, I have enough. I have enough space. That's a miracle. Okay. Okay, 42 cobblestone should be enough, I think. What are the point of the barrels at your house? Like, what are they for?
Decoration and they can they're like chests.
Oh, oh, they are. That's cool.
And kind of just they're there for decoration. They look better
Yeah,
than chests.
they look good actually. The brick is just so nice and crispy, like a crispy McDonald's McChicken.
Those things are not crispy, and you know it.
Are you back at your house yet?
No.
Are you close? Halfway?
Yeah, about 1,000 blocks.
Okay.
We're gonna do Pythagorean